Okay, in today's video, I'll be covering 4 important elements or 4 important aspects of the PMI, which is contact hours, PDU, talent triangle, and certification renewal. People are confused between the contact hours and PDU, so these two are very important to understand. Contact hours are actually for those who want to appear in the PMP exam or they want to submit their PMP application. So to appear in the PMP exam, you need to submit an application. There you have to prove that you have gone through a professional training, and that professional training will be given to you by any PMP certified trainer or any institute which is providing the PMP training based on the PMBOK guide, or any PMI chapter, any online training which provides you a certificate that you have gone through the training, and that training is by a professional trainer or a PMP certified trainer. So those contact hours, whatever it is, 35 or 60, whatever you get, these contact hours are important for you to appear in the PMP exam or to submit the PMP to application for the PMP. The moment you are certified, now you have become the PMP, you need to maintain your PMP certification. To maintain the certification, you need to have the PDUs. So within 3 years of time, you have to have 60 PDUs. So these are called the professional development units, and these professional development units will be from the talent triangle. I'll explain you what the talent triangle is, and this will help you to renew your certification. So talent triangle is about your skills, that you have to develop your skills further, or you have to continuously develop your skills even if you are PMP certified. So you need to improve your technical knowledge, which is specific to the project management. And then you need to develop your leadership skills, because project manager is a leader also, so you need to continuously develop your leadership skills. You can attend some trainings. I'll explain you that in detail. And next is the strategic and business management. Of course, the project manager must have all these 3 skill sets. First of all, you will log into the PMI website. So whether you are a member or not, you can see your certification the moment you have earned your certification. The moment you have passed the PMP exam, you become PMI certified. I'll log in with my user ID and password. Here I'm logged in. Okay, the moment I am on my dashboard, so I can see this is certification status, and I can go down and I can see the CCRS dashboard. So it will show me that how many PDUs are required. So there are minimum 8 PDUs I need to maintain in all the triangle to make sure that the triangle is complete. So you need to have technical, leadership, and strategic and business. In the education area, where you can earn, you have to maintain at least 8 PDUs in each section. And then giving back, which means that you either work as a practitioner or you give the training. So these both will contribute to your PDUs. So as you can see that I have logged 25 more than 25 PDUs in giving back, and in education I have maintained all these PDUs. So these PDUs means that you can either go for a course, you can do the trainings, you can attend some trainings, you can watch the webinar also. So I'll show you how to do that. You can, if you go to projectmanagement.com, you can go to the webinar section. You can either go to live webinars or on-demand webinars. So these webinars, the moment you are a member, so you can watch these webinars. So it will add to your PDUs. So you can see here the PDUs are, if you watch this webinar, it will develop your knowledge, it will improve your knowledge, and you will be rewarded as 1 PDU for this. If you want to develop the technical skills or technical knowledge, or you want to earn technical PDUs from the technical triangles, you can click here. So these are all the webinars which will give you 1 PDU, or some are giving half PDU. So here you can earn the PDUs. So this is in the projectmanagement.com. You can log in with your user ID and password, so you can see all this information. So the moment you continuously improve your keep earning your PDUs, so these will be appearing here. Now going back to the PDUs, you can report the PDUs also. The moment you are in your CCSR dashboard, so you can report PDUs. So in which PDUs you can report, for example, if you have attended any course or training, if you have created a content, if you worked as a practitioner, if you have given any presentation, if you have shared the knowledge, if you worked as a volunteer, or if you have created any online or digital media for podcast or anything, or if you have read any book, or if you have any informal learning. So you can report that as a education or as giving back. So here in some of the cases you have to provide the evidence, or in some of the cases you just share the information. But of course information and evidence should be authentic. So in my case, as I have told you that if you see my dashboard, so I have reported many many trainings or practices. So I can show you that here. This is my claim history. So it will be all recorded here. So the moment you log in, or the moment you go for any course or any training, so it will be all logged here. So you can always see that what is your PDU. So you can download the transcript, and every information will be available here. So this will help you to earn the PDUs and maintain your PMP certification. So PDUs are for those who are already PMP certified, and contact hours are for those who have yet to appear in the PMP exam. Thank you so much.